Hey you, you can uh, send me money. Can you please send me money? I need money. I need so much money. I want to have things. I just want to have things. Everybody around me has many things. I have nothing. I have lost everything. I quit my job. I didn't work for last 6 months or something. I I don't know what to do. It's funny, but I really don't know what to do. And my girlfriend just today when we were eating a salad that I and my girlfriend made from vegetable that grows on the land, you know. And my mother-in-law was also there, and my girlfriend asked me what would I do. Would I go to Paris for her and sign her name on the Eiffel Tower? But I am a very serious person, you know. I have no money, but I am very serious. I take things very seriously. so I want to do this, but I have no money. So I'm looking for people that would help me do this job. Is this even possible? I don't know, but I think it is. There is a possibility I walk to Paris, but I'm not that kind of person. I know there are people that wanna help me because I'm doing this for love, so that people can see true love. True love, people. Thank you.